If you want to use Audacity AI to separate vocals, clean up noisy audio, and transcribe speech into text, this video is going to walk you through the whole process step by step. We'll install the OpenVino AI plugins, turn on the right module inside Audacity, and then use the AI tools for music separation, noise suppression, and transcription. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make Audacity AI work for you, even if you've never used these features before. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to install the OpenVino AI plugins. Open your browser and go to the official Audacity website. From there, look for the OpenVino AI plugins installer and download it to your computer. Once the download finishes, run the installer and follow the setup prompts carefully. During installation, make sure you check the boxes for music separation, noise suppression, and whisper transcription. These are the features that unlock the AI tools inside Audacity, so don't skip them. After the installation is complete, restart Audacity so the new plugin files can load properly. Now we need to enable the OpenVino module inside Audacity. At the top of the app, click the Edit menu, then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, find the Modules section. Here you should see mod-openvino in the list. Change it to Enabled. This step is important because even if the plugin is installed, Audacity won't use the AI effects unless the module is turned on. Once you've enabled it, click OK or apply the changes and then restart Audacity one more time. This second restart helps make sure everything is fully active and ready to use. Now let's go through the first major feature, which is separating vocals from music. Import a song file into Audacity by dragging it into the workspace or using the file import option. Once the track is loaded, select the entire track by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Then go to the Effect menu, hover over OpenVino AI Effects and click Music Separation. A drop-down will appear where you can choose the model type. For this task, select 2-stem, which means vocals and instrumental. This is the setting you want if you're trying to split a full song into 2 clean parts. After that, click Apply and let Audacity process the audio. What happens next is the AI model analyzes the track and unmixes it into 2 new separate tracks. One track will contain the vocals and the other will contain the instrumental. This is incredibly useful if you want to make karaoke versions, isolate a vocal performance, or create remix-style edits. It saves a huge amount of time compared to trying to manually edit frequency ranges or remove vocals by hand. So if you're working with music, this is one of the most powerful features inside Audacity AI. Next, let's clean up background noise using AI noise suppression. Select a recording that contains unwanted noise such as room hum, air conditioner sound, keyboard clicks, fan noise, or other distracting background sounds. Once the track is selected, go back to the Effect menu, hover over OpenVino AI effects and click Noise Suppression. In the device dropdown, choose CPU or GPU depending on what your computer supports best. If your system has a decent graphics card, GPU may give you faster processing, but CPU also works fine on many machines. After selecting the device, click Apply. This AI-based noise suppression works differently from older noise reduction tools. Instead of just trying to reduce sound frequencies, it identifies human speech and keeps it while removing a lot of the unwanted audio around it. That makes it especially useful for voiceovers, podcasts, interviews, and screen recordings where clarity matters. If you've ever struggled with background noise ruining a recording, this feature can make a massive difference in quality. Now for the final major feature, transcription. If you want Audacity AI to turn spoken words into text, select a vocal track in your project. Then go to the Analyze menu and click OpenVino Whisper Transcription. In the model dropdown, choose bass or tiny depending on the balance you want between speed and accuracy. Smaller models tend to run faster, while larger ones can give better results, but bass and tiny are great starting points for most users. Once you've chosen the model, click Apply. After processing, Audacity will generate a new label track with the spoken words written out. This is extremely helpful if you need a transcript, want to find specific moments in a recording, or need to work with spoken content more efficiently. It can speed up editing and make it much easier to organize interviews, lectures, podcasts, and voice notes. Instead of manually typing everything yourself, the AI does the first pass for you. And that's the full Audacity AI workflow. You've installed the OpenVino plugins, enabled the module, separated vocals from music, removed background noise, and transcribed speech into text. These tools can save you a ton of time and make Audacity feel much more powerful for audio editing and content creation. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.